In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 5 tactics to get more subscribers on YouTube. If you want to gain the attention of YouTube's algorithm, then you need to have a lot of subscribers to your channel. Even though Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram have stolen the social media spotlight over the last several years, YouTube is still an incredible marketing channel for any business. If you're just starting to build your YouTube channel, here are 5 tactics for getting free subscribers on YouTube. Start promoting your channel. There are thousands of videos online about how to hack YouTube to gain more subscribers. Unfortunately, most of these turn out to be illegitimate and a waste of your time. If you are just getting started, then you have to bite the bullet and do the work to get more subscribers. The best way to do this is to create engaging content and ruthlessly promoting it on your other social media channels. Take the time to build a plan to promote your channel if you want to get more subscribers. Create frequent content. The best way that you can get more subscribers to your YouTube channel is by creating high-quality content consistently. Posting content every week helps you to retain subscribers, which is another important metric of YouTube, as well as attracting new subscribers. When you increase the amount of content that you publish, you also increase the number of places that you'll be found by people online. Promote your channel with Facebook groups. No matter what topic you're interested in or what business you have, you can find a group on Facebook for most topics. Find relevant groups by searching a keyword in the filter of groups in the search bar. Narrow down your list to 10 to 20 relevant Facebook groups, and then add a comment to the discussion telling people about your YouTube channel. Create searchable titles. If you want your videos to be found by your target audience, then you need to spend a few minutes creating SEO-focused descriptions and titles. An easy way to do this is by typing in the YouTube search bar the keywords that you're planning on using in your title and see what search results come up. When you find keywords that show a lot of results, create titles using the best keywords and include them in your video description. Create playlists to convert searchers to subscribers. Creating playlists on YouTube is a great way to boost content consumption, boost watch time, and retain subscribers. Rather than creating different playlists, you can create a track of content for new users to watch. Gaining more subscribers on YouTube is imperative for your business if you want to get noticed by its algorithm. Implementing these 5 tactics will help you increase your subscribers. Subscribe now and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you the 5 things you need to know before you start a YouTube channel for your business. Having a YouTube channel for your business can help you reach your target audience, generate more leads, and bring success to your business. If you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel to help promote your brand, here are 5 things you need to know. Always put content first. You have to take the time to figure out what kind of videos you're going to create. While it might be fun to participate in whatever video trend is currently happening, you have to focus on what will bring you new subscribers and what will keep them coming back for more. You need to make sure that you are posting new content consistently if you want to build an audience. Make sure your thumbnails are on point. When you make sure that the thumbnails displayed on your channel are on point, you can significantly improve your video views. However, if you get it wrong, it will end up turning people away from your channel. You want to make sure your thumbnail is clear, simple, and immediately catches your viewers' eyes. Collaborate with others. Find other YouTube creators that are in your industry and collaborate with them on some cross-branding incentives. Focus on working with other channels that have the same amount of subscribers as you do. Not only will this allow you to grow your YouTube audience, but will also increase awareness of your brand. Aim for nice-looking videos. While the videos of your favorite YouTubers look effortless, the truth is that they are more than likely using a variety of expensive equipment to get high-quality videos. When it comes to your videos, don't worry about spending your hard-earned cash on expensive equipment because your videos don't have to be Hollywood productions. Make sure the lighting is good by placing a bunch of lamps around the room and keep the camera still by using a tripod or a pile of books. You want to focus on making videos that are good enough, not ones that will break the bank. Make sure your branding is clear. You need to make sure that people remember your video. Make sure that you create a memorable and straightforward channel name, and be sure to include a beautiful, eye-catching logo on your channel. Nothing is stopping you from creating your own YouTube channel for your business. However, by keeping these 5 things in mind when you get started can go a long way toward making sure your channel. In this presentation, I'm going to share with you 6 secrets for growing your YouTube channel. For several years, video marketing has been on the rise. Consumers today spend billions of hours every day watching videos. If you want to leverage the power of YouTube, the world's second largest search engine, here are 6 secrets to help you do that. Create your videos based on a single topic or keyword. Similar to a blog post, you need to identify the keywords you want to target when you are planning your video. Picking a keyword before you create your video will allow you to better plan the content you want to share. Another reason to choose your keywords beforehand is so you can incorporate them into your video script. Repeating your keywords multiple times will help you rank higher. Optimize your title and description. If you want your videos to rank high on YouTube's search feature, then you need to optimize both your video title and description. While your title needs to be catchy, it also needs to have the keywords that you want to be ranked for in the title. This goes for the video description as well. You need to treat the description of your video like a summary blog post. Leverage YouTube cards. The longer someone stays on your YouTube channel, the better ranked they will be. You can see the exact points where viewers tend to abandon your videos with your YouTube video analytics. You can use this information to add recommended videos with YouTube cards at the precise point where viewers are leaving. This allows users to check out your other videos and stay on your channel. Leverage playlist URLs. At the end of your videos, YouTube will show a list of recommended videos for the viewer to watch next. Sometimes they will be your videos, other times they'll be for other channels. You can use well-crafted playlists to keep users on your channel. When a viewer starts to watch one of your videos in your playlist, the platform will auto-cue the next video in your playlist to keep the viewer engaged. The best part is that they can be triggered anywhere in the video with a unique URL. Engage with your audience. If you have high engagement on your YouTube channel, you'll be rewarded with higher rankings. It is incredibly important to engage with your viewers in the comment section of your video. You want to try to respond to every comment that you receive. This not only helps with your video engagement, but it will also help you mold your community as you see fit. Keep your related channels on. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is turning off YouTube's related channels feature. When you turn off this feature, you end up removing yourself from YouTube's recommendations. This means that you will lose the network's effect that makes YouTube the powerhouse that it is. If you are on YouTube, then you probably are looking for good ways to grow your business's YouTube channel. These 6 secrets will help you optimize your YouTube channel and increase your subscribers. Join our community of learners. Hit subscribe and activate the bell to stay updated with every new course.